7 ways you can prevent colon cancer and what kimchi has to do with it. Your gut is known to be the seat of health. 70 to 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. If it is poorly or improperly nourished, it will be poisoned. Inflammatory bowel disease, acne, depression, and migraines are just a few faces of a diseased digestive system. But don't worry. You have it in your hands every day to prevent this and also to counteract the development of colon cancer as a possible consequence. In this episode, you'll learn how you can do that. First, fermented vegetables and dairy products. These include products like kefir, pickled cucumbers, olives, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Kimchi is consumed daily in Japan and China and is fermented pickled Chinese cabbage, which is made with probiotic lactic acid bacteria. These get along optimally with your intestinal flora. It proactively supports digestion and helps with various intestinal ailments by strengthening the immune system, having a positive effect on the brain and skin health, and helps fight cancer, as well as constipation and obesity. It is interesting to know that during the processing or fermentation of dietary fiber by the intestines, small-chain fatty acids are formed, which directly prevents the growth of colon cancer. Not to forget probiotics, which are microorganisms such as yeasts or bacteria. They have the powerful property to trigger a so-called apoptosis in cancer cells. The cancer cell is animated to destroy itself. The word probios comes from the Greek and means something like for life. Foods such as kefir, sauerkraut, and yogurt are particularly rich in probiotics because they are all products that are produced by lactic acid fermentation. The lactic acid bacteria involved in this process include lactobacilli, enterococci, and bifidobacteria. Lactic acid bacteria occur everywhere in natural form and have nothing to do with milk. All these valuable foods have only one goal: to support and build up your microbiome, i.e. your intestinal flora with healthy bacteria. Again, look for high-quality organic products when buying. Second, consume foods containing linoleic acid. This is specifically about conjugated linoleic acid, which is found in animal fats, including grass-fed beef and dairy products. According to studies, the consumption of organic grass-fed beef is beneficial in the prevention of colon cancer. Conjugated linoleic acid has proven anti-cancer properties. It is also found in butter, sheep and goat meat, and all dairy products. Pay attention here with the purchase again on bio-quality. Third, fasting and interval fasting. The microbiome with its bacteria naturally grows and becomes stronger during fasting. Also, during fasting, you give your digestive system the opportunity to regenerate, realign, and dispose of waste. Fourth, fiber. Here we are talking about fiber from vegetables and not from synthetic products and grain products. I can therefore recommend you vegetables from the cruciferous family, and these include cabbages such as Brussels sprouts, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, horseradish, kohlrabi, Chinese cabbage, and rutabagas. Fifth, refrain from smoking. Smoking in general, whether passive or active, increases the risk of developing colon cancer. All toxic substances enter your organism through the lungs, digestion, and detoxification organs. How much waste is deposited depends on the amount of poison smoked and on the constitution of your organs. Sixth, avoid industrial sugar. Yes, we've all heard it before: sugar makes you sick. But it is so tempting to indulge in a bar of chocolate in the evening and maybe a bag of caramels. But it is so important to ban our children from eating lollipops and to find other healthy solutions. Why? Sugar has proven pro-inflammatory and cancer-promoting properties. It animates the cancer cell, makes it more aggressive, and causes it to grow. What healthy alternatives are there to sugar, and which of them don't make your insulin levels skyrocket? Then feel free to follow me in the next episodes. Thanks for tuning in.